I appreciate that you entered a plea of guilty, because for myself and for the family, I'm glad we didn't have to see what it looks like this would look like on a video, because it is just horrible. And the fact that you are truly saying that you think you touched something and got PCP when you have had PCP cases over and over and over again, and you're on parole for possession of a controlled substance and you kill someone. It's a nightmare. Sure, go ahead.
Can I say something? You know, that night that accident happened, I've been clean the entire time I was on parole. Okay, I stopped off at a friend's house to give him some advice about what he was doing. And during that time, I did contact a bottle of his. You know, I was not high at that time at all.
It was in your system.
Yes, ma'am. If you know how I fight.
At this time, based on your history, based on the nature of this offense, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. I'm going to find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of intoxication manslaughter. I'm going to sentence you to a term of 50 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Correction. There will be a deadly weapon finding based on the indictment alleges a deadly weapon. You will receive credit on this sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm going to hand you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement and I followed it, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I have also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provided you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Lewis. There's really so many other things I could say about how horrible this is, and rarely am I out of words, but I really don't have the words to say what a tragic circumstances based on your behavior this led to. Y'all can have a seat at council table for the victim impact statement, and we'll go off the record. Do you want me to leave it on for the other family member to hear?
I think that would
if
be
the